Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. In this video, we are going to learn about the Node.js OTP verification with Twilio and the SMS. In the last videos, we have discussed everything. So register, login, logout, forget, reset, update password, logout. Okay, and the blacklisting the JWT token also, and OTP verification via email done. So OTP verification with Twilio SMS now we are going to implement in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. This is the extension of the previous video. Make sure you have to watch the previous one so that you can implement this one. So you have to add this code in the registration part. So here we go with the register. So in the auth controllers we have the registration. Okay, after the saving the after the registration, okay, so here we have to skip this email, send email. We have to skip this one and this catch. Let's try to comment this, or you can just control Z, comment the try block, and let's add the code overhead. Await send OTP with user dot email with verification code. Okay, let's create the function send OTP. So this is the send OTP section. So let's add this the last. So here we are using the client.messages.create your OTP verification from the Twilio phone, OTP sent via Twilio and all this. Okay, save this. What else we have? Okay, so then we have to require this. We have to add all these statements to the top of it with the controller. So we require this one. So let's add this. So we require the Twilio. So let's install the npmi Twilio. So control C, clear with this npmi Twilio. Okay, let's log in with Twilio because we require the SID or some Twilio. Hope so we get this login. I hope so I have some credits on it. So I think for this Twilio we don't have the phone number. Let me check how we're going to send the OTP. Let me check. And here we have the phone number. Currently I'm not saving the phone number, that is the issue. Okay, so make sure in the registration, if you want to send the OTP, then make sure you have to send, okay, the phone number, because the phone number is mandatory over here. Okay, so let's, I'm not going to send it via the but because here you can see the send OTP, so it's required email. Let's have a look. Okay, let's go for it. Verifying your human. Let's continue. Okay, phone number. Where is my phone? Let me go for it. And here we receive the Twilio verification, that is 219. Remember this browser for 30 days. Let's log in. So make sure in the registration you have to save the phone number. That's very important. So account SID, copy this and on the top of it paste it. Do it via env because this is not the secure way. Okay, so make sure auth token, just copy this. We have a auth token. We have to go with Twilio phone number. So let's go with check the Twilio phone number. This is my Twilio phone number. Let's copy this and add this also. Okay, so this all is done. Let's try to do the registration and send the OTP. So I will do the registration process. Okay, let's go and do the registration. Post request. So let's put any user test 90900 at the rate millinator.com. Let's try to send this. Email could not be sent because we have where it is, where there is showing that one sent OTP, else that email could not be sent because send OTP has some issues might be. Let's log this error and check. Error sending email. What's the error in the console? Twilio, here you can see two phone number is required because you are sending the email, which is wrong, right? So it's not the email, it's a phone number. Okay, so send OTP. So here we go with the two with the phone number. So let's add my phone number, and don't call me on this number. Okay, I hope it work. Hope so. Not sure. Let's try to, because here I need to check my numbers, phone numbers, messaging, overview. So let's try last. I think this is workable. Okay, so let me add this number. This is okay. Let's try it out and we will get the exact response of it. Send an SMS to the personal number. Phone number is this one, so we are selected and choose the sender, that is this one six. We have make the 215. Okay, and the message. So here we go with this one. From is this, and let's take the phone number. So this is the phone number that we have added correctly. So let's try to register with the new user and let's have a look. Try to sign it out. And OTP, let's wait for the OTP to come. Currently I'm not receiving the OTP. What's the issue? Oh, I received the OTP. Let's verify this account. Okay, so here we have the verify OTP. So let's put the email of this one because we require the email. Okay, let's copy and paste this. Okay, so there is a verify OTP, the same one that we have done the previous verify OTP in the last video, and let's add the OTP, that is 6785. There is a double one, but I'm going to send it one, so invalid. Let's make a one again, and OTP verified. Okay, so verify OTP is there. So if I go over here, this is the verify OTP. So email and the OTP we require, find one, and the use not the user not found, verification code not matching, invalid OTP. If it is fine, then undefine it and save that user and return that OTP verified successfully. So this is how you can do the OTP verification with the Twilio SMS. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a great day.